Hey guys, I'm still out here in Big Bear and getting some flurries this morning. I wasn't expecting this. This is pretty cool for a guy that grew up in Southern California. Let me show you what it looks like out here. So there's some snow that's coming down collecting, but it's also making the roads kind of wet too. I guess some of it just kind of melts. I think it's barely about 32 degrees or so. But yeah, this is pretty cool. That wasn't snowy earlier, but it's nice and white there. There's a guy at the hotel. He's throwing some salt down around the lobby area. All right, that's it here from Big Bear, over by Big Bear Lake. Getting some snow flurries this morning. See, there's some salt that's been put down. Salt helps keep the snow from accumulating. Just kind of dissolves it. Pretty cool. All right, so long from snowy Big Bear.